Welcome back. Continuing the news, a major setback for law enforcement in St. James. It's how the Minister of National Security, Dr. Horace Chang, described the recent theft of 19 guns from a security company in the parish. The matter is the subject of a multi-agency investigation, and the minister says he expects answers, especially from the Firearm Licensing Authority, FLA. We have more in this report.
19 guns earmarked for protecting citizens from the criminal underworld, gone without a trace. According to police reports, sometime between May 23 and 24, burglars forced their way into the Montego Bay office of a businessman and made off with 15.38 revolvers and 4 shotguns, along with an undetermined quantity of bullets and cartridges. The owner says the weapons were stored in a metal safe. The burglars also made off with 3 motorcycles and 2 computers, which were attached to a CCTV monitoring system. No security guard was assigned to the premises at the time. The Minister of National Security is warning anyone found to have been in breach will suffer the consequences. The matter is being probed by multiple agencies, including the Firearm Licensing Authority. For Dr. Chang, the developments are a major blow to the police in St. James, especially considering their uphill battle to rid the streets of guns.
Not only police must investigate this, but the FLA have to give me a full report on why this happened and how it happened, so we can take steps to correct that problem and ensure that it is not repeated. This should never happen in the first place. 19 more guns on the street is a major, major setback. But, if they didn't want to be held accountable, they'll be held accountable.
According to police investigations, the security company has been experiencing a downturn in business, and this resulted in the non-certification of firearm user permits from the FLA for the guards assigned to the security company. When we contacted the FLA's Chief Executive Officer, Shane Darling, to determine the extent of the authority's investigation, he indicated he is to be briefed on the case and will provide an update later this week. In the meantime, the police say they have taken a set of DNA and fingerprint data to help in their investigations. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.